just did. Aloha. Welcome you guys.
Zach is filming himself. We're in 1942 Los Angeles. Today, in 1942, we might have an air raid today. There's a surprise attack by Japanese Air Force. We do not know what would happen, but we're keeping a good sharp eye out.
Yeah, that's what's happening. I know, right? It's a trip, right? I know. 1940s is crazy. Where'd I get it from? The future.
Some kind of scientific lab did you run?
Yes, that's exactly what I did. You guys, we are here at the 1942 air raid here at Old Fort MacArthur.
Take a look at that over there.
Take a look at, oh, hey there.
Those are some spanky ladies, don't you think?
These girls are just so beautiful.
Give a count, that was the V for victory. DJ Day.
Look at these guys, you guys. So freaking gorgeous.
Okay, right here, ready. Okay, right here.
Yeah, and I never did anything.
Race next week. Yeah, he was part of the CDC in Mexico, so.
Right?
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Oh no, you can't record me if I'm not talking like I'm from 1942.
I'm not sure about that camera, because I know how mine works. But do you know how yours works?
Oh my god. You guys, look, there's Bridget right there. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. I'm filming you right now, so you know. Yeah, you look great. Right? Here's some 1940s modeling right here. Model. Look at that. Looking fine. Oh, look at my mama. Yeah, right there. She's looking so good. Look at her. Look at my mama. Look at that. I guess Bridget is here. Bridget is hithering. Stupid. Now we gotta wait for that one.
Everybody from
Hey, your hair looks really good.
my friend was that.
Your hair looks really good.
Amazing hair.
You're recording again?
Yes, I am. Got a problem with that? Huh? That's what I thought. Oh my God. So yeah, so it was my mom.
Zach, could you take a picture of Bridget?
Yeah, yeah, take a picture. It's a problem. Yeah, here we are on the top of Old Fort MacArthur, and everybody's partying down there. Look at that. Look at them all. Oh, look at them all. Oh, yeah, heck yeah. Do it. Can't wait for the raid to start. That's what I can't wait for. Oh my God.
That was a cute picture.
That's a good one. That one's cute. I like that one. Yeah, that one's cute.
Can I, like, soften it?
Yeah, well, I know you can, like, edit it a little bit to make yourself.
I love that one.
Yeah, that one's the cutest. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Dance, 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 and dance, and turn and flip. And turn, and look at those hips. And look at that butt. talk about dancing. You know what? We tried. Air raid's gonna begin soon, you guys. We're all sitting down right here, waiting for it to begin. We got a good view. And look how many people are here, like, holy sheesh. Like, look at all of these people. Because they love the 1940s. I mean, who doesn't? Right? Right? Right.
Cover against the approaching danger of enemy aircraft. This is not a drill.
Mom.
Repeated, a
Mom.
red warning signal has been issued. All military personnel ordered to their stations. Civilian guests to prepare to take cover against the approaching danger of enemy aircraft. This is not a drill.
You ready for this? Your first air raid. Where are they at? Where they be? Where is it? Where are they, Mom? I don't know. Where are the Japs? Where are the Japs?
Please make your way toward the flagpole or stay in your positions.
Here they come. Yeah. Here we go. That's how you do it, mama. We're safe. We're safe. Just in case we missed a Japanese airplane. You know.
It's actually really a good spot by the front gate.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. The all clear signal has been sounded.
Oh, we're good. Yeah! Woo!
We're
live.
To pursue the intrigue.
We're live.
U.S. Navy Secretary Frank Ross has announced that no plane sighting was exploded.
Brian!
That I can see.
Did a mom? You're not,
We also have a special presentation
you're not a
for you, ladies and
1940s
gentlemen,
air raid virgin anymore.
with
You're good.
the Hollywood Hot Shots. I haven't one of those before. On the floor.
Sandown's pinup dancers. How about a big hand for them?
My mama told me that I mustn't take the tail. My mama told me a man's gonna sweet talk and give you the glad eye. But when the sweet talk is
Like pinup dancers. Here we go with two
Fish and chips. Killing fish. Huh, Liz? Look at my Amy. She's looking so good. Look at my twin Brian. My one and only twin. Right there. Woo woo.
Oh, look, they're gonna dance again.
What is that? Technology. Not okay. What? What?
Stuff like that there. I want some leaping and some pacing and some weeping and some pacing and some stuff like that there.
Satin Dolls Pinup Dancers and the Hollywood Hot Shots.
Guys, we're back home from the air raid, finally. And now we're gonna just go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed. I'm so tired. Man.
Best time though.
Best time
Can't wait till
in
next
the
year.
freaking world. Can't wait.
Awesome.
Swing dancing is the best.
It is. Even if we don't know how to really do it that well. But it was fun.
Anyway, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope to talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm in my socks. Look at them. Woo!